Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to give you the most important information that you need if you want to make money online. And I don't say that lightly. It's something that once you hear it, if you don't already know it, you're going to be like, it's going to click, and everything that you do online to make money is going to be far easier. I don't care whether you're selling your own products, services, whether you're as an affiliate and selling someone else's product. This will make the whole thing easier for you. So I'm going to give you the key. I'm also going to invite you to the ClickBank challenge. You'll find that in the description and in the comments below. This is the final 24 hours to get in. I've put 24 hours or 22 hours on the clock. This is the final chance to get in. There's a ton of bonuses. In short, it will show you exactly how to get up and running and make money in just 10 days, from picking a product on ClickBank, exactly where to market it for the perfect traffic source that I show, and also exactly how to do it so you don't appear spammy or nothing underhand, so you can get going straight away. As another massive bonus for you, but it's only available for 22 hours, you get a completely free guide to paid advertising from the traffic source if you want to make it easier and faster. And the other thing that you get is how to create your own ClickBank product from scratch, exactly how I've done it time and time again. That will make you a lot of money, so it's worth joining just for that, in my opinion. So do check that out. That's in the comments in the description below, and that's available only for the next 22 hours. Okay, let me give you the key to making money online. Here we go. I've got some examples for you as well. Let me just give you the key straight away. The secret to making sales is the right product, the right person, at the right time. Sounds so simple, but if you're not making sales, one of them isn't aligning. The right product, the right person, the right time. So what does that mean? Well, I wanted to give you some examples so you can actually see how this would work and how this would align. And then your job is to make sure that you've got the right product, the right person at the right time. Okay? And that's what we cover in the ClickBank challenge. So you can get that if you're interested in exploring that further. But I want to give you some examples of that as well, and that's why I fed it into ChatGPT. Give me some examples of online products from ClickBank specifically. And you can see here, example 1, weight loss niche. The right product, Cinderella solution, as an example. A bestseller designed for women looking to lose weight through hormonal balance. The right person, a woman aged 30 to 55 struggling with stubborn fat, hormonal imbalances or metabolism issues. The right time, new year, summer, after holidays, post-pregnancy. Now, when I was saying time, I wasn't really on about the seasons. I'm on about this. The actual time in their specific life. So post-pregnancy would be a great one. Women looking to lose weight after having a baby. Okay, let's have a look at another example. The 12-minute affiliate system, done for you affiliate marketing system for beginners. Make money online. The right person, someone looking for passive income, side hustles, or tired of their 9 to 5. So this is targeting the same people as me. The right time, someone that's been laid off, new year, tax season, or anyone that's struggling financially or can't make money online. Okay, nice easy one. That's rife, that's packed. Make money online niche, obviously for that reason. Here we go, here's another one, relationship and dating. Right product, his secret obsession, a ClickBank bestseller about understanding male psychology. The right person, a woman aged 25 to 45 struggling with dating, relationships or breakups. The right time, Valentine's Day or after breakups. So imagine you were targeting this woman and she actually went onto a site asking for advice after a breakup, and you targeted them with this product. That's how it can align. Okay? Here's another example. Survival and prepping. Right product, the lost ways, survival guide teaching forgotten self-sufficiency skills. The right person, preppers, survivalists, homesteaders, people concerned about economic collapse. Okay, so the right time, economic downturns after natural disasters, election years, global crises. Okay, Example 5, like spiritual stuff, manifestation, soul manifestation 2, the right person, people interested in law of attraction, manifestation, spirituality and personal growth, the right time, life struggles, January, Mercury retrograde. So I'm more on about the time in people's lives than the seasons, but you can see how it aligns. If you can get that part, then everything's easier. So all I ask you to do, you don't have to join us of course, but the helpful part of this video is make sure that you've got the right product, make sure you're targeting the right person at the right time in their life, okay? And use your traffic source, use your marketing to speak to that one person, and you'll find it easier to sell anything. And if you need more help with doing it, do check out the ClickBank Challenge. I put it in the comments, I put it in the description, and I'd love to have you with us. The full recording's available for you right now. You've also got a bonus on paid ads and a massive bonus, a free course with it, on exactly how to create your own ClickBank product in 2025 and build an army of affiliates to make sales for you. So get it before it's gone. 23 hours. So if you've watched this video late, I do apologize. Do subscribe, do give us a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it if that's helped you, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers guys.